Good morning, boys and girls. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do a part-part whole mat when our part is missing. Okay? So the first thing we're going to want to take a look at is the first part is unknown. So I'm going to set my question mark here because this is what we need to solve for. Okay? Our next part is 2. And our whole is 20. Now, for this type of problem, you want to make sure that you have everything in place before you start using your counters, because this one can get a little tricky. Okay? So here we have our first part is a question mark, our second part is 2, and our whole is 20. Now, we need to figure out what goes into this part. So we need to think, what and 2 make 20? Okay, so for this, we need to start off by putting 20 in our whole first, not 2. Okay, I'll show you what happens if you start off by doing 2. So we're going to start off with whole first. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yeah. Okay. So here's 20. And we need to have 2 in our part. Because remember, all together we can only have 20. If we have any more, then we made a mistake. So we're going to start off with 20 and we'll put 2 in our part. Okay? And then whatever we have that's left over, we're going to move it up into our other part. And let's count what we have here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, does 18 plus 2 make 20? It does. So that means that we did this correctly. Okay, that's another way of double checking. So 18 plus 2 does equal 20, because if we put them all back together in our whole, there's 20 beans. Now remember what I said earlier is you need to have everything set out before you start adding on your counters. Okay, because this is what will happen if we don't do that. That looks like a Z. So if you go in and you start putting, oh, there's 2 here and there's 20 here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay? And so if we move this up into here, that's 20 plus 2. Does 20 plus 2 make 20? No, it does not. And even if you have 20 here and you move these in here, does that make 20? No, that's still 22. 22 plus 2 does not equal 20. So that's why it's very important that you think it through and you write your numbers down before you put in your manipulatives or your counters, just to double check to make sure you've got everything in the right place. All right, well that concludes today's little lesson. Have a great day. Stay safe.